Hello, friends. I'm Indumati Karthikeyan from Inkar IAS Academy. Here I give you the complete guidelines for the prelims, how to eliminate the wrong answer, the elimination technique. First of all, that is an extreme language elimination. In an option includes that absolutes where it never comes, it always, it only, it's entirely, it's only, it likely, the correct in the UPSC nuanced language. An incorrect pairing strategy, that is a method following that paired items, the check if even one pair is wrong, eliminate that option. That is a second strategy. The third strategy is a elimination by common sense and static knowledge. That is, even if you don't know all the option, eliminate implausible ones. That is very much useful. That is a green hydrogen is produced by burning coal. That is false. Burning coal, green hydrogen. That is both are definitely doesn't match. So you should use your common sense and you can eliminate that things. And also you can eliminate by fact elimination. That is if a statement factually wrong, eliminate that option. India shares a land boundary with Sri Lanka. Definitely wrong, because India only shares a maritime boundary with Sri Lanka, not a boundary, so land boundary. So that is a fact thing. So you should eliminate through your fact knowledge. Trend matching strategy, that is if you UPSC asks the recent reports, acts, treaties, check watch ones actually in news. Which one is actually in news? Eliminate the outdated and also made up one. So the trend matching is also one of the strategy. So first of all, you have to use the extreme language elimination, incorrect pairing elimination by the common sense, static knowledge, fact elimination, trend matching strategy. The sixth strategy is a statement wise elimination. That is if your statement is definitely wrong, that eliminate that option 1. If you doubtful but not wrong, retain option 2. So then you can correlate the option, then you can choose a statement. So this is a one of the elimination strategy. Use previous year question knowledge. That is, many questions have repeating themes, especially in the environmental side, polity side, geography side. So it is resembles a previous year question. So you can logic, you should use a logic, apply that, you should eliminate in that. Eighth strategy is a elimination through the option comparison. That is, the two options are near identical, one is likely wrong. That is, example, if A and C are same, that is 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 2 only, 1, 2 and 3 only, likely that you should eliminate the statement if clearly incorrect. So then you can get the option that is incorrect option, you can eliminate, then your two options will go away, then you can choose from two options. So that is very much easy for you. You can eliminate through options comparison. And familiarity trap, that is if one statement sound like a from a news or NCRT and another, don't eliminate unfamiliar one. So that is careful, you should have careful that thing. And finally, that is guess only if you can eliminate two options. If you can remove two options confidently, your probably the success is 50%. That's often worth, so you can take the risk of that option. So you can use these techniques. Definitely it will give you the good elimination strategy and give you the more marks in that. So finally, you should practice the elimination technique. That is very much important. You should go previous year question and also what is clearly wrong or extreme option, what is factually incorrect, and what are the trap option in the sound right. So these are the main elimination techniques works for you. So these are the things you have to make carefully, and also practice the elimination mock test will sharpen the intuition. Your intuition will definitely give you the marks in your UPSC, and mark safe answer first round and then apply the elimination in the round 2 and 3. That is very much careful. You should attempt known question first, then you can go for the elimination, because it will give you the more time to think and overcome the correct answer. And also don't over eliminate, trust your preparation. First of all, you have to trust yourself, you have to confident, then you have the right strategy to eliminate. So if you doesn't know anything, means you can eliminate everything, you can go now, that will give you the wrong marks. So don't do that. So you have to do these things, it will definitely give you the elimination strategy. Here we give you the 10 question for you 2. How to avoid the elimination strategy? First of all, the question 1, that is, consider the following statement regarding the mangroves. First, mangroves requires the fresh water to survive. The second option is they can grow in saline and brackish water. The third one is they are found only along the eastern coast of India. Which of the statement given above is a question? The option is A, 1 and 2 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, 2 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3 only. This is a question. So for that, mangroves that is require fresh water to survive. That is definitely it's inflow of nutrient exchange. That is a true statement. The second statement, they thrive in saline brackish water. Yeah, it's a saline water that we know. They are found only along the eastern coast. That is wrong, because it's extremely wrong, because mangroves are also found on the western coast like Goa, Maharashtra. We know that very much so. Extremely wrong. That is a language elimination. That is a option 3 is wrong. So if you eliminated the C and D, you have only 1 and 2 is the right answer. So 1 and 2 is the right answer. So the option A is the right answer for this question. Question number 2. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the Indian Parliament? The Rajya Sabha cannot initiate a money bill. The first option, the money bill requires the president assent to become a law. That is a second option. So for this, you should know the Rajya Sabha cannot initiate the money bill, because Lok Sabha only the authority to initiate a money bill. So Lok Sabha is more powerful than Rajya Sabha. So definitely you know that answer option 1 is right. A money bill requires president assent to become a law. Definitely every bill required the president assent to become a law. So then no need of elimination here. So you can go for both 1 and 2. That is option C is a right answer for the question 3. That is a regarding the Ramsar Convention. Which of the following is correct about the Ramsar Convention? Option 1. It is related to the conservation of the wetlands. Yeah, definitely. It is legally binding on member countries. The option is 1 only. The option B is 2 only. Option C both 1 and 2. Neither 1, not 2. It's a factual elimination, that is legally binding. That is all the countries should not legally binding on the convention. So it's definitely not correct. It's a factual elimination. You should eliminate the answer 2. Then the option is A. So option A is a right answer for the question number 4. With reference to the biofertilizer, consider the following statement. They are synthetic chemical compounds added to the soil. First one, biofertilizer chemicals. That is identifying the wrong definition. That will be, you can eliminate easily in this question. They help in nitrogen fixation. Yeah, definitely biofertilizer means it will be useful for the biodegradable. That is a bacteria will be involving in this. So bacteria's nitrogen fixation. So definitely fertilizer nitrogen fixation having the connectivity. So you can go for that. Second option is right. Then the option B is the right answer. So this is the elimination strategy to finding the wrong definition. Question 5. The global index is released by UNDP, WHO, International Food Policy Research Institute, FAO. Recently it will be in the news. So use the news familiarity. So eliminate the strategy. So International Food Policy Research Institute, that will be research and give you the global hunger index. Question number 5. Consider the following pass. Here, tribe, that is a Bil community, region Rajasthan, Garo, that is Madhya Pradesh, Bodo, Assam. So you should know that is a Bil. A 1 and 2 only. Option B 2 and 3 only. Option C 1 and 3 only. Option D 1, 2 and 3. Here the incorrecting pair, that is a Garo, is from the Meghalaya state, not in Madhya Pradesh. So that second statement 2 is, if you eliminate, the option A is going away, because 2 is coming in the option A. 2 and 3, that is also go away. Option D is also go away. So the option C is the right answer. So this is a elimination technique. So you can using the match. One match is wrong, then you can choose eliminate the answer. You will get the answer. If you doesn't aware of it also, if you know any one of the option, then you should clearly do the elimination strategy. Q7, that is which of the following is our feature of the Indian Constitution? That is a rigid constitution, parliamentary system, single citizenship. Option A 2 and 3 only. Option B 1 and 2 only. Option C 1 and 3 only. Option D 1, 2 and 3 only. We are having the feature of partly rigid, partly flexible. This one everybody will know about the polity basics. So first option is wrong. So if you know the first option, then you can eliminate B, C, D, because B, C, D having the option 1. So the answer is 2 and 3 only. You can apply the conceptual understanding of the constitution of the feature, then you can definitely eliminate the other all option, that is a Q7. Q8. Which of the following is or true about the black carbon? It is a greenhouse gas. It is formed due to the incomplete combustion. So the option is A 1 only, option 2 B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2 only, option D neither 1 nor 2. Eliminate based on the scientific accuracy. So the carbon is different. Black carbon is a particulate matter, not a gas. So the first option is wrong. Found by incomplete combustion. So carbon means combustion. So you can use a second option. So option B is the right answer. So eliminate based on the scientific accuracy. You can use your scientific knowledge and you can eliminate this one. Q9. With reference to the Indian National Green Tribunal, consider the following statement. It was established by an act of parliament. It deals with the civil cases related to the environmental protection. Its orders are not binding. Option A 1 and 2 only. Option B 2 and 3 only. Option C 1 and 3 only. Option D 1, 2 and 3. Here you can eliminate from the weakest statement first. First of all, it is established by act. That one everybody knows, because National Green Tribunal will be comes under the NGT Act 2010. So everybody will know that one. And also it deal with the environment. Green Tribunal means it's environment protection. That one is also correct. Its orders are not binding. That one is a little confused one. NGT orders are not binding. So you can eliminate that one. Then you can choose it. So then option B, C, D will go away. So definitely the option A is a right answer for this question. If you doesn't aware of anything also, you can do some elimination and you can find out the perfect answer. That is the elimination strategy. The Q10. Which of the following report is or published by the World Economic Forum? That is option A Global Gender Gap Report, Global Competitiveness Report, World Development Report. Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1 and 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. So the report WEF is definitely we can eliminate that, because global gender gap, yes, WEF. Global competitiveness report, that is also WEF. World development report, that is by World Bank, not by the WEF. So you can choose by report that is coming every day in the news. You can choose in that way, then you can eliminate that 1 and 2 only is the right answer. That is a 3. If you eliminated the 3, option 3, then 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 will go away. Then 1 and 2 only is the option. So you can choose that option. That is the right answer. This is the elimination strategy. You can, for your examination, definitely you will win your examination. So these are the major elimination strategy. So you have to concentrate more on the questions you should know or doesn't know. You have to let's make a guess. And also if you very much sure, then you can go for that. If you are unsure, you should eliminate, because it will reduce your marks. So you have the 10 elimination strategy. That is the extreme language elimination, incorrect pairing strategy, elimination by common sense or static knowledge, fact elimination, trend matching strategy, statement wise elimination, use previous year knowledge, elimination through the option comparison, familiarity trap, guess only if you can eliminate 2 options. These are the 10 main strategy. Already I explained that. So you should read, you should hear more than 1 or 2 times this video. Then you comes to know the elimination strategy in